Alright, so we're doing our every couple year shop update. So basically we're cleaning up, reorganizing, and repainting everything. So this side of the shop is done. We call this is basically our tire bays. We just added actually a third bay. I'll show you that. It used to be for storage. So in here, this bay, we do everything with jacks, just fast and easier for us. But we do have a lift. We want to put something up, or if we have a job, it's going to be like sitting for a while, or we have to send wheels out or something, because this ceiling, since there's a second floor, is like a foot lower than the other side, so it has a shorty lift. But everything's painted, looking good. We do got to put some drywall up in the ceiling in the back. That's the last thing, and we got almost everything cleaned out underneath the stairs, so we can park the forklift under there now, out of the way. Put some shop equipment back there. A lot of times all our tire deliveries for the day get put here. They come in through this bay, so it's out of the way, so we don't have delivery trucks coming around out front blocking the work bays. And then our scrap tire trailer is back there with some other storage. Man door to come in the morning. This is some of our stock tubes there, and don't mind that concrete. That's we got to fix a hole in the floor. But this side is pretty much redone. It's clean. May do something with the floor, may not. Not sure, but it's looking good. So tire side is done, and then we'll do a couple other videos where we show the tire service area. We have all our tire machines, and then our repair bays, followed by our truck and alignment bays. Those will be coming soon. We're working on that area now.